Hi, welcome back. It's 5:15 on this Monday morning, an alert day because we have a higher risk of seeing severe weather later on today into tonight. So far, it's just a couple of showers that we're tracking out there this morning, not severe. If you hear a rumble of thunder, you may notice a thunderstorm out there, but again, staying below severe limits. Later on today, I would say closer to midday, anything between 10 or 11 a.m. and then beyond into the evening hours is the timeline of where we could see the weather be the most impactful on our area, Central Maryland and the Eastern Shore, with severe thunderstorms possible, especially tonight. Damaging wind, hail, and tornadoes all possible as we go through the rest of today into this evening, which could lead to down trees, tree damage, potentially power lines could go down, and that could also lead to power outages. So that's certainly a concern with the very strong winds that are expected from a line of storms that will develop later on. The latest from the Storm Prediction Center highlighting parts of the mid-Atlantic and down towards the southeast with that moderate risk for severe weather. It's a little bit of a rare situation for us to see this level of a threat for our area, but certainly not impossible. As you notice, widespread severe thunderstorms could be possible in this community here towards D.C., down towards Virginia as well, where elsewhere in the orange are under that numerous or enhanced risk for severe weather. That just means we could see numerous severe thunderstorms out there. And with that, damaging wind would be the primary threat from these stronger storms. So again, anything between 58 miles per hour to 60 or greater, that is criteria for severe wind gusts. Tornadoes certainly possible. That will cause damage. Right now, there's a moderate risk of seeing tornadoes in our area. And then hail, not necessarily a huge concern, but we could see some hail embedded in those stronger storms. And also to note, the flooding risk is very low, just not completely zero from the rain that we'll get later on today. Again, just a breakdown of a brief timeline here. You can see from now until 11 a.m., fog will be an issue, and then of course just some damp conditions from scattered showers, maybe a brief thunderstorm. But between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m., this is where we've got our first risk of seeing severe weather. If we get the sun to pop out, that's not a good thing. That would lead to higher instability or more storm fuel to get these storms going. And of course, that could lead to any of the hazards that I just mentioned earlier this morning, along with a 4 to 9 o'clock time frame for more scattered severe storms that may develop along a line of thunderstorms. So that may be a bowing segment that comes through, and out ahead of that line could be a brief spin up as well, but damaging winds certainly a huge concern once this line comes through. You can see right now there's a long line of storms out there for parts of Ohio down towards Tennessee Valley. That is going to continue marching eastward, reaching us here in the next several hours. As you'll notice on our Futurecast model, it brings it in by about 1 p.m. and then that'll push off to the east as we head through tonight, with another round moving in this evening. Again, this is the line we'll have to watch very closely for any brief spin-ups or potentially very damaging winds out there just out ahead of it. 7-day forecast after we get through today, temperatures will be much colder. In fact, Tuesday and Wednesday, highs barely near 40 degrees. At least the latter half of the week, things start to warm up just a bit.